Hello friends, welcome to the channel. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon. Today we are going to prepare Harive Soppu Palya. This is one of my favorite palya. My grandma was preparing this palya with only two ingredients and it's very easy to prepare. I have plucked the Harive Soppu from our garden. First we have to clean it and give a quick wash in the water. So all you need to have is garlic and then red chili. So I have washed the Harive Soppu and let's start now. I have taken the vessel and I have added coconut oil and a little mustard seeds. Let mustard seeds make some sound. Now add garlic into it. Fry it until it turns light brown. Now add red chilli into it. Give it a small mix. Let it become hot. Now add chopped leaves. Give it a small mix. Now add 1 glass of water. Don't add more water as the leaves has water content in it. The amount of look more, but once it gets cooked the amount will look less. So add the water as required and add some salt as per your requirement. Give it a small mix and close it with the lid. After 10 minutes, open the lid. You have to cook it for only 10 minutes. Yes, Harive Soppu Palya is all ready to serve. Have this with your lunch and enjoy it. It's very simple and no much ingredients is required. If you like the video, kindly like and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching. Let's meet in the next video.